Hey folks, I'm so grateful that you clicked for today's video. In today's video, we are going to cover principle leading up the chain and principle leading down the chain. By the way, these principles are from the book Extreme Ownership: How US Navy SEALs Lead and Win. And if you don't know, we have already covered two videos covering principle like prioritize and execute, how successful leaders make their plan. For those videos, check the description below. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Principle leading down the chain. Any good leader is immersed in the planning and execution of tasks, projects, and operations to move the team towards a strategic goal. Such leaders possess insight into the bigger picture and why specific tasks need to be accomplished. This information does not automatically translate to subordinate leaders and frontline troops. It is paramount that senior leaders explain to their junior leader and troops executing the mission how their role contributes to the big picture success. Leaders must routinely communicate with their team members to help them understand their role in the overall mission. This understanding helps the team members prioritize their efforts in a rapidly changing dynamic environment. This is leading down the chain of command. It requires regularly stepping out of the office and personally engaging in face-to-face conversation with direct reports and observing. Now, principle leading up the chain. If your boss isn't making a decision in a timely manner or providing necessary support for you and your team, don't blame the boss. First, blame yourself. Examine what you can do to better convey the critical information for decisions to be made and support allocated. The major factors to be aware of when leading up and down the chain of command are these. Number 1. Take responsibility for leading everyone in your world, subordinates and superiors alike. Number 2. If someone isn't doing what you want or need them to do, look in the mirror first and determine what you can do to better enable this. Number 3. Don't ask your leader what you should do. Tell them what you are going to do. So this was all for today's video. We also post great content on our TikTok and on Instagram, so please check them out and make sure you have hit the subscribe button below.